Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 2nd May 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 49 points down move at the level of 11,800, and US markets have done pretty okay for itself yesterday, and 162 points down on Dow Jones, 45 points down on Nasdaq, and 22 points down on S&P. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in red or negative in today's pre-open or open session. Indian markets have delivered quite a doji yesterday. There is a complete indecision in the market. There is nothing which market is showing that there is positive or negative as of now, but there is EMAs which is supporting a lot for the market to go upwards. And MACD is at the level of 97, whereas exponential at 112, which is showing that there is no positivity in the market, but slow stochastic is at 53 and fast stochastic at 64. Both of them indicate that we are not in a overbought zone or a oversold zone. We may go upwards from here. We are almost at the top of the game at the level of 11,760 is the all-time high, previous all-time high. Now it is 11,860. However, we are almost at the all-time high where the market had ever crossed previously. So we are about to cross that particular level of resistance. For that, there is some indications which mean that there is some resistance at this particular level. So that's the reason the whole of the market is trying to cross this particular level, stay over there above this particular level, and get this happening to work above 11,860. That's what Indian markets are actually looking for and terming for. So what does Indian markets has to offer in today's session as supports and resistances? The supports being the level of 11,732 levels, 11,714, 11,700 is a very strong support for the market as of now. If that is barred, 11,686 levels, 11,662 levels, 11,640 to 11,638 levels, 11,629 to 11,615 to 11,605, and 11,586 and 11,577 to 11,555 levels to 11,500 levels are the levels of support we have to watch out for as supports. And what are the resistances we have to watch out for? The first resistance comes at the level of 11,760, which is the all-time high for the market, and 11,786 levels and 11,809 levels, and at the end the level of 11,856 to 11,860 levels are the levels of resistances we have to watch out for. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself, click on the first link in the description below. There is a session happening this Saturday and Sunday. I will teach you 3 strategies which makes you money on a daily basis. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.